This is Crack Night, where we play games.
So many games.
I don't know why we don't change the name.
Where are we now?
Now party flat, we're right next to game.
On Dayton F.
We've never eaten there, but someday maybe. Crack Night, 7 to 10.
It's dinner time.
We really am. We're so glad. What's our game or grab tonight? We will find out, just hold on tight.
Tonight on the Crafter Hours night thing, we're making drinks. That's not the real intro.
What did you say?
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Welcome to the last episode of the Kitchen Drink!
Yay!
We're here with some familiar faces. Fun fact, this is episode 50. We have had 50 unique guests on the show. To celebrate this last episode, I'm not making a drink today. They are! These are some aprons I've made the past year while doing the Kitchen Drink. Shameless plug, if you would like one, message me on Instagram at the Barleo or at the Kitchen Drink. I have put in one of the pockets in all of your aprons drink titles and drink recipes from various episodes from this year. The plan isn't to make an exact carbon copy of the drink that I made in the episode, it's to make as close a drink as you can. I have 4 drinks I have to taste today, 3 cocktails, 1 mocktail. Who's ready to make some kitchen drinks?
Not me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I forgot the answer to that was yes or no and not woo.
Yeah!
If anyone of us ever becomes famous, they're gonna find this video and it's gonna be really weird.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Arleo's like, that's okay, none of us are gonna be. Thank you, Arleo. Thanks for
I
that
didn't
one.
say that!
You implied it.
Just go! Go make your drinks!
I was gonna say more than one of us had everything. Jack and Aubrey, tell us about your drinks and about your strategy to win this competition.
Oh, is this a competition?
Oh,
I don't
man.
know, it can be a
That's
competition
exciting.
now.
I'm feeling like I definitely don't have some of these ingredients.
Like which ones?
The cherry Garcia, because I hate cherries.
I feel like I've got some good options, some inspiration, so I'm just gonna see what's
have not
in the
decided
fridge.
yet.
I have not decided at all. I have no idea what I'm gonna do.
I'm pretty sure I have most of these ingredients, including the egg white. I don't know how to put an egg white in a drink.
Most of the things that are going to be eaten in here are probably mine. I've got a lot of ice cream.
Well, I'm gonna make the Rocky Road and vanilla one. I know there's ice cream in this fridge. That's about all I know for certain because I have not looked yet.
I might give him salmonella poisoning, but that might just be payback for making us do this challenge.
I've got some gnocchi. I don't know if I can go in the drink.
I'm gonna look
I'm
and
freaking
I'm gonna
out.
see.
I don't know.
I'm freaking out. I don't know what's happening.
I think I'm gonna win.
A lot of competition.
After doing some research, watching the appropriate episodes, these guys are ready to make their drinks. Like I said, their goal isn't to make the exact drink from the episode, because what are the odds that Party Flat will have everything that they need to make all 4 of these drinks? However close they can get will work out great. This is all basically a fun creative exercise of, this is how Arleo was thinking every time he made a kitchen drink, except just a little easier. You can tell by the way they shake, these guys aren't really bartenders, but hey, they've watched enough of me to know how to do it. Let's see what I think. Now I know what it's like to have to wait by yourself while somebody comes up with a drink. Let's start with the mocktail. So let's start with Alexa. Okay.
Are you scared?
Yes. I taste tea. I got a slight kick in the back of the throat, but I do like the taste.
Oh!
This is a good start. I'm going to say it's the Cherry Garcia and Chipotle powder episode.
It's that one. I just didn't have some of those things, so I substituted.
What tea did you use in this?
The cranberry and blood orange black tea.
That explains some of the pink.
The rest of the pink is from this pure unsweetened cranberry juice.
Instead of Cherry Garcia, what did you use?
Sea salt and caramel ribbons ice cream. And then I didn't have chipotle pepper, so instead I used red cayenne pepper and ginger. And then the last thing was just some honey, because most everything I used was unsweetened.
Good job.
Yay!
Yeah. Yay, Alexa. That's drink 1, the mocktail done. Now, we're gonna go to the gentleman of the group, Jack.
You go.
Thank you. The color looks like most kitchen drinks. I feel like there's no sweetener in this at all. It might be that you used honey if you don't dilute it into a syrup. It doesn't like to play with the other ingredients. I'm kind of tasting tequila. Oh my god. We talked about how you used to work in a liquor store. Do you happen to know if this drink was based off a classic cocktail?
Kind of. It's almost daiquiri-ish.
Which means it's probably rum, if it's daiquiri-ish. Maybe if I just keep drinking, I'll...
Maybe something will happen.
Is it... You know what? You couldn't find Capri Sun, huh?
I could.
It's the Capri Sun episode! And so it's the Capri Sun and soy sauce episode.
Yep, that's it.
If you didn't tell me daiquiri, I wouldn't have gotten it. What did you put in this drink?
Started off with rum. Did not have Capri Sun, so I used lemon elderflower soda.
What I don't taste is the nostalgia.
Yeah. A little extra lemon, a little bit of soy sauce, and I was gonna put honey in, but I think I forgot.
Good job, Jack. I'm 2 for 2. Let's see if we can keep going. It's Aubrey's turn.
Finally.
Ooh.
There you go.
This also looks a lot like many kitchen drinks. I smell chocolate. I taste chocolate.
Good.
It reminds me, texture-wise, of what I just had from Alexa. If it's the drink I think it is, I don't taste the tequila very much. I guess I am gonna be 3 for 3. Rocky Road and vanilla, isn't it?
Yeah. Mother's Day one.
Mother's Day 1 with the song.
Yes.
I love tequila. This is good.
Put like a shot and a half of tequila in that.
Oh.
I can't believe you can taste it.
It's the whatever ice cream you put in there.
Yes.
It's covering it up. What ice cream did you use?
Dandelion chocolate hazelnut cookies and cream. Vegan.
I don't taste the dandelion.
Yeah.
There's no actual dandelion in it. It's a chocolate brand.
Oh. Pretty much everything was the same ingredients. I used these frozen raspberries,
You had frozen raspberries.
Yeah.
What are the odds?
lemon juice, which says it expires in 2018, but it smelled okay, so
Not too
just
worried.
normal vanilla extract. And I made ginger syrup really quickly with the ginger
Oh.
powder, and I made like a little simple syrup with sugar water.
I forgot there was ginger in this thing. Cool. 3 for 3.
Cool. Was it good?
Yes.
Okay.
So, last but not least, we've got Olivia.
I'm glad you thought those all tasted good because you're not gonna think those taste good.
Flashback to when Olivia said she was gonna win.
Sorry, I need to get into my British Bake Off persona. Thank you, chef.
British Bake Off's the one with the handshake, huh?
Yes.
Well, let's see if this gets a handshake. I smell spice. Literally, as I was typing these up, I was like, I hope I don't get kimchi and barbecue sauce. I'm smelling spice, which makes me think kimchi and barbecue sauce. Spicy. It's not bad. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey!
It's pretty well balanced, too.
Thank you, chef.
You get a fist bump.
Yeah!
I'm gonna buckle down and say it's kimchi and barbecue sauce.
It would be if I had kimchi.
Is it based off that episode?
Yes.
Oh, that's all I care about. 4 for 4! Nice. Since you didn't have kimchi, what did you use instead?
Ground fresh chili sauce. You smell it?
Ooh,
Yeah. I only use a very small amount of this.
it's almost the only thing I can taste.
I bet it's not. I bet what you're actually tasting is the barbecue sauce. Because the barbecue sauce, this is actually homemade barbecue sauce made by a coworker. So it's very strong.
These two ingredients are also contributing a lot to the texture. This is a very, thick drink.
It's very thick and I've had a lot of trouble with the strainer. And so I had to add a lot of lemon juice to balance it out. Oh, and an egg. I forgot to bring the eggs over. Oh, and rum.
Oh, regular rum.
Regular
'cause,
rum, so not spiced rum. And honey, but not very much because that was already super sweet.
This was good.
You say that now.
What is that? So how did it feel to be on the other side of the kitchen drink?
Very stressful.
None of us are bartenders, so that doesn't help, but it was kind of fun.
Raise your hand if you like the drink you make.
Yeah.
Y'all know how this goes. So guys, those were my kitchen drinks, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Thanks for watching the series. It's been a fun time. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye!
Bye! Woo! No. I'm not going.
So, once again, thank you for watching this series. I'd like to thank everybody who let me into their homes to let me do this. Literally could not do this show without you guys, so thank you. I hope you guys liked your episodes, and it was fun. So, bye!